Let's see, we also looked briefly at pluralizing words in Spanish. And remember, it's really simple. If a word ends in a vowel, add an S. If it ends in a consonant, add an ES. Okay, to demonstrate and practice the ideas of gender and numbers in Spanish, we looked at the articles. Here are the rules of Spanish articles. Here are the rules of Spanish articles. For the definite articles, which in English are the, el is the singular masculine definite article. El muchacho is the boy. La is the singular feminine definite article, so la muchacha is the girl. Los is the plural masculine definite article, so los muchachos are the boys. Las is the plural feminine definite article. Las muchachas would be the girls. We also looked at the indefinite articles, which in English are a, an, or some. And we said that un is the singular masculine indefinite article. So un muchacho would be a boy. Una is the singular feminine indefinite article. Una muchacha would be a girl. Unos is the plural masculine indefinite article. So unos muchachos in English would be some boys, and unas is the plural feminine indefinite article. So unas muchachas would translate to some girls. Now, remember that el, la, los, and las all mean the, and un, una, unos, and unas all mean a, an, or some. Let's see. Another thing that we talked about in this unit also involved the use of gender and number of nouns. I said that you use the gender and number of the noun to determine the gender and the number of the adjective or adjectives that modify the noun. We did a couple of examples of this, and we can demonstrate using the colors red, rojo, and white, blanco, and the nouns casa, house, and taco, which translates into taco. To say the red taco, we look at the end of the noun, taco, and see that it's masculine because it ends with an O. It doesn't have an S, so we know it's singular. So knowing that the noun is singular and masculine, the article for the is el taco. And the adjective will be singular and masculine also, rojo, el taco rojo. Remember that the adjective comes after the noun. So we say that is the red taco in Spanish is el taco rojo. Let's say, to say some white houses, we look at the word for house, casa. Okay, we see that it's feminine because it ends with an A. We're going to say houses, so casas ends with an S, so we know it's plural. Now, since we are saying some houses, we know that the article is indefinite, feminine, plural. So we use unas, some houses, unas casas, and the adjective must also be feminine and plural, so blanco becomes blancas. So when we put them all together, we get unas casas blancas, some white houses. Okay, this is something that's pretty important to the language and really different from English. So study this well and practice it a lot.